Hi, what's up, motherfuckers? I'm kind of editing the video right now. But yeah, I just realized this video is kind of all over the place, but I honestly don't give a fuck. And yeah, that's gonna be the video for today. First part, pretty much putting on a fan. I installed it. Well, me and my homies installed it, and then later on we get to the then we move on to the brakes, which is probably the stupidest thing, cause yeah, the brakes are kind of fucked. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, just prepared for a all over the place video, but I'm trying to get stuff out there, so fuck it. See y'all in the video. Yay!
I don't even know what a car is.
What's up, motherfuckers? It's your boy, Young Slat here. Today we're gonna be fixing that fan, or putting on the fan, then trying to fix the idle in this car, because it's still fucked. It still breaks up on me.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, we'll see when we fucking get there right now. Say what's up to the camera, Marcy.
Fuck you guys.
So yeah, we'll be right back.
Hey, take it out more, just take it all out. You just need to take that one out. Slide off.
Oh shit, nigga. Fucking horny, that's why.
Alright, we're running trains? Running trains?
It's because he's fucking horny. Alright, so we got the fucking, trying to get the fan in, but Jesus is having trouble. Jesus, what's the matter here? Go, Jesus.
Mechanic zoobs. From under, bro.
Mechanical zoobs. Mechanical zoob.
It's just too big now.
What is your thing?
Yeah.
This motherfucker has to fucking wrench his arm over there. Look at his arm. Fuck! Fuck you. It's working, I hear it. Look at the position he's in. You're ready for back shots, huh? Let's go. Is that it?
One more.
One more? Alright.
I have to do that fucking right one. That shit can't get in.
Bounce fucked or what?
It's just in a tight area.
In a tight area?
It should be good. Good.
He should have fucked them.
We're good.
We're good? What happened to the other bolt? Did you tighten it? Oh, okay. Alright, well now we just gotta wire these bitches, Jesus.
Fuck! That's the hardest part, bro.
Yeah, I fucking hate wiring. That shit's a fucking bitch. I got the cameraman Marcelino now. Yeah, shit. And that's gonna hook up to that thing right there. Fucking Mishimoto. That's it's gonna be temperature gauge. Gotta hook it up now.
Fuck now.
Alright then. You wanna put those back on and try to wire it?
Where'd you do the bolts?
I'll have them over there. Alright. Alright, so we're back. Pretty much we just fucked ourselves because I think we need a relay. These wires right here, the blue one is a power wire, this black one grounds out to anything, so we could just power it. But the thing that's wrong is that we need this power to go into a relay with this, because this is the temperature gauge that tells these fans when to turn on. So when this gets hot or warm enough, the fans turn on. But since we don't have the fucking relay, it was cut off before, we're kind of fucked. We need a relay now. But other than that, we're probably gonna end up fixing the brake up on the car, because that's the only thing we can really do now, is just fix the brake up. So yeah, probably be back when we get that situated out. Alright, about to do a leak down test with our jacked up water and soap bottle right there.
Hopefully this works.
Oh, you know what he's doing. Mine's less of, holy fuck, who's sitting in this car?
I mean, fucking moved it.
Ready, Jesus?
Yeah.
Oh, connect my battery. Alright, so we're about to fucking start the air leak test. He's gonna spray the whole engine bay with soapy water, and then, yeah, I really don't know what it is, but he knows it is because he's a beaner, but yeah. Connect it?
Yeah, go. Should work.
No.
No?
What you mean it won't turn on, bro?
Technical difficulties, we'll be back.
How's this gonna work? You need more stuff or what?
There's definitely fairly good.
They were good anyway. My bad air leak fit Tesla good is what bubble. But is it idling good? No. Yeah. It's going up and down. It's not really bad though.
Now I'm not alone.
Trumps in.
It's just me and you, bro.
Hi guys, we back. Picking up where we left off from. Oh, it's the next weekend. And we did get the fans installed. Just wasn't really that hard. They just turn on with the car and turn off when the car turns off. So yeah, it was pretty easy. You see that's the wiring right there. It's plugged in, just connected to the chassis. All that. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. You just gotta find a power. Oh, we found a power in the fuse box. Yeah, I'll probably show you that right now. But yeah, just hook it up to the ground, get a regular screw, shove it into your chassis. Yeah, I mean it's pretty much it. I didn't really record it because let me close this. Yeah, I didn't really record it because I don't know. Oh, my car's off. Fuck. Oh yeah. Yeah, I didn't record it because I don't know. It didn't seem interesting at the time, but when I was done recording it, I was like, fuck, I should record it. Where are my keys? Be right back. Alright, so I'm probably gonna be taking off the wheels finally because I got some new lug nuts in this airplane. Got some new lug nuts, finally. Been waiting for these are focus. I just got these for now. I have some better ones coming on the way, just waiting for them. Got some friends coming, hopefully. Hope so. Hopefully they don't flake on me. But yeah, got some. Gotta take off these wheels. Find out if any of these are real. I don't even know what kind of wheels that would be. But yeah, these wheels. Find out if they're real. Which probably not, because the other day when I was under the car changing the alternator, I didn't see anything. So yeah, we'll see right now. Yee. Alright, so we got the fucking wheels off. I came to the conclusion that shit, they closed the garage. But these brakes, since they're upgraded 5 lug, they come off of a different car. So the brakes I got do not fit this car at all. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fucking get a completely different set of brakes. Look for them. But yeah, I found out both these wheels are fake, no matter what they are. Well, I'm getting a phone call.
Slider.
Yo!
Yo,
What's up?
what you up to, big dog?
Nothing. I'm just changing my brakes.
I'm gonna stop by real quick.
Alright, for sure.
I'll be there in a minute.
Alright, for sure.
Alright, later, bro.
Alright, later. But yeah, that was Jesus. Yeah, this wheel's fake. That was fake, no matter what it was. I don't know what it was. Say hi, Gio.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Say hi, Ozzy.
Oh, hey, hey.
Say hi, Alfredo. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it. I have nothing else to fucking do until I get these fucking brakes changed. So yeah, probably see y'all tomorrow. Yee! Some motherfuckers, today we're gonna be working on the 240. As you guys can see, we got the jack stands on. It's kind of a rainy day out here today, but gotta work on the 240 somehow. Got them on all 4 jack stands. We gotta be changing the brakes on this so that finally we can take this thing out for a spin. So yeah, we'll probably see when that's done. Alright, so right here we have the old brake pad, rotor, old rotor, new rotor. This come off of the new S14. Yeah, it's been converted. I had such a pain in the ass trying to look for these, but I finally fucking found them. So yeah, finally, has the spacer. Need to change the brakes now. Don't have these new, but I do have the rotors and the brakes new, so yeah. Let's change those right away. Alright, quick little update. As I was trying to push in the brake caliper, started leaking all the water, all of brake oil, sadly, so have to get a new one of those too, sadly. But I got the brakes on. Brakes, new rotors, the probably like a 25 mil spacer. Yeah. Fuck you. Alright, and we back, boys. Finally with the... Actually, came back to find... I don't even know. I just have to put the rear brakes on. Or the rear brake calipers, I mean. But yeah, look how nice they look now. I mean, especially, let me look at the front ones. Look how nice they look. They look so new. Got new rotor, caliper, spacer. Maybe I should sand the spacer so it could look a bit nicer. But fuck, who cares? Spacer, but yeah, we have that on so far. Yeah, I spent like over $500 getting all this shit brand new from like parts stores and shit. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna put the rest of the back ones on, and then we'll probably get this car driving for the first time. I'm excited, very excited. So yeah, be right back. Alright, so we're finally back. We got all 4 fucking brake things on now. Finally. Oh, almost fell. Yeah, I don't know. There's like a little clip thing that goes in the front or in the back. I'm not too sure where it goes. It like comes out of these sides right here. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. I have all 4 of them on. Now I just need to see if I need to bleed the brakes or not. And that's pretty much it. Got all this on. It looks pretty much good to me. Nothing looks bad. Gotta put on the fake whatever these are and the fake BBS is on in a bit. So yeah, wish me luck on that. So yeah, we better drive this bitch in about a couple. So see you when we get it up and running. Alright, and we back here today. It's been like 3 days since I last picked up the camera, but as you can see, we had gotten everything on that I need. But the ones in the back, sadly, these brake lines right here, if it focuses, these brake lines right here, they like, not the brake line, the whole ass caliper, it doesn't, like I guess where the brake line goes into, it's not like cut out properly, so whenever I try to press on the brakes, it just leaks out brake fluid everywhere. And so yeah, that's what I've been doing these past couple of days. I have to take off this one because I have taken the other one off and I put it in my garage. I'm gonna return them probably tomorrow, get some new ones, hopefully. But yeah, because that kind of sucks because they're not easy to put on. Well, they're alright to put on, but yeah, it's a pain in the ass taking them off, putting them back on. I think I probably put these on about a total of like 8 times, front and back, all around. There's 8 times each, but yeah. Probably be back when I have that one off. Alright, so we finally got the last fucking caliper off. Pretty sure that's it for now. Leaked a shit ton of oil. Brake fluid. Fuck, keep confusing it with brake oil. With oil in general, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Probably be back the next day when we have the other brakes in, other brake calipers in. Try those out from a different place. And yeah, that'll be it. See you guys when we either get those in. So yeah, probably either the next day or in 2 days. Yay!